Good morning everyone. Welcome to Banao Bharat's Trading for Living Friday live session. Yesterday was the first expiry of the week. The first half of the day we saw consistent downtrend, and then towards the end there was some good pullback. Today Nifty has once again opened on the positive note, but has given up all the gains and now trying to make some amount of pullback. Currently trading at 17,995. Had opened at around 18,130, made a low of 17,975, and from there on now it is moving up. This is the chart of Bank Nifty. Opened at 42,800. From the highs of 42,800 came down to 42,400, and now trading towards the day's low of 42,400. This is the chart of Bank Nifty. Also in yesterday's expiry you could see from the highs of 43,300 it came down up to 42,400, almost 1000 points fall, and towards the last couple of hours there was a recovery of about 200 points. Excuse me. We will quickly look into some of the popular stocks in FMCG. This is the chart of Dabur. Opened at 574, currently trading at 565. In the yesterday's down market, this stock had done very well. You could see it had broken upwards, but today unfortunately from the highs of 574 it has made a lower low. Yesterday high has been at 575. It opened tad lower at 574, and from there on it is giving up all the gains of yesterday. This is the chart of Godrej Consumer Products. This stock also had done well yesterday. It had consistently gone up from the lows of 890 to 920. Today it opens well at 936, but now slightly getting weaker. All the FMCG stocks which were doing well yesterday are taking a breather. This is the chart of Hindustan Lever. Opened at 2600, went up to 2620, now trading at 2601. The day's low is at 2580. This is the chart of ITC trying to break out. Well, good opportunity in ITC emerging at 338. This is one stock which had fallen from the highs of 350s, again trying to go to those levels. You can see here from the highs of 362 it had come down to 325. From there on it is in the sideways movement. Maybe on the shorter time frame it might be entering into a buy mode. So at least on intraday chart there is a buy mode at 338. So this is the chart of ITC, can go long above 338. Jubilant Food getting weaker, once again going below 502. Yesterday also it was in a downtrend, but from the lows it had started picking up, but today it is giving up all the gains and going into the negative territory. Marico Industries currently trading at 517. Tata Consumers trading at 767. Yesterday was around 782 onwards it had seen the fall, and even towards the end of the day when the indexes were recovering, this actually didn't recover much. This is the chart of Tata Consumers, 782 to 764, and today you can see it is quoting towards the day's low. This is the chart of Titan. Well, it had made a good progress yesterday towards the end, at least from the highs of 2634 it had fallen to the lows of 2558, now quoting at 2536. This is one chart to watch out for. Maybe there will be some amount of bounce back. Check out for the bounce back if any. from 2558 levels. This is a chart of Voltas doing well even today, quoting currently at 823, was at around 826. This is Bata India. Well, from the highs of 1649, you can see it is now come down to 1628, 20 rupees fall in intraday. Yesterday it had actually given a pullback from 1620 up to 1640s levels. Today it opens slightly higher but doesn't sustain, and now trading towards the day's low. This is the chart of Asian Paints, continuously going down, already in the down mode since the first candle. You can see from the highs of 3035 has made a low of 2963 and trading currently towards the day's low. We'll quickly look into the oil and gas sector. Hind Petro, some amount of selling might emerge. It is trading above the resistance of 250. It might come down during the day. Just watch out for it is towards the resistance zone. This is the chart of BPCL, currently trading at 346, has been moving higher since morning. GAIL trading at 98, ONGC trading at 80, making a good upward pattern. This is the chart of ONGC. Well, it is, you could say, like, it is in a very narrow range with not much volumes here and also not much of price action. So these are the stocks which we should be little careful about, and we should trade only when a good trend emerges with big candles. Let us look into some of the steel stocks. Jindal Steel trading at 601, 597. This is JSW Steel, currently quoting at 741. SAIL 87, Tata Steel 117. We will see what's happening in the pharma sector. Apollo Hospital currently trading at 4437. Aurobindo Pharma quoting at 445. From the highs of 457, it has fallen very quickly into the negative zone. Watch out for pharma sector, which is going down. You can see fourth day of downtrend. This is the fourth day, 1, 2, 3 and 4. From Tuesday onwards, it's already in the downtrend. Will it end here or will it go further down in the coming week is what we have to wait and watch. This is currently in the weak zone 259. Well, Biocon has been, even on the daily chart, from the highs of 291, it has been consistently falling down. You can see more of red candles than green candles from the highs of 291, very clearly in the downtrend. Biocon, Cipla, from the highs of 1148 has been consistently falling up to 1052 in this week. So from this 1052 levels, it made a slight pullback, but again giving up all the gains and now currently trading at 1083. Dr. Reddy on the daily chart, well, you would say more of a sideways movement. If it comes to the support levels of 4204, then you can go ahead and buy, but otherwise there is not much buying in Dr. Reddy's also. This is the chart of Sun Pharma, very similar to Dr. Reddy, trading in the sideways range on the daily time frame. So if you are looking for a buy, wait for new levels to emerge, or if it cuts 978. Torrent Pharma is also quoting towards the recent lows of 1556. Well, banking on the daily time frame, it has made a low of 41,469. The recent low which is critical to watch out for is 41,469. It had come up to 41,640. From there on it took a bounce back up to 43,600, and now again looking downwards. This is the daily chart of Bank Nifty, quoting at 42,400 now. On the intraday time frame, it is trading towards the support zone of 42,416. So if it consistently stays above this zone for 1 or 2 candles, then you can go ahead and buy for intraday movement on the upside. This is the chart of Canara Bank. Not much happening there, 325. Let us see what's happening in Nifty. Also trying to come closer to the support zone, maybe towards the support zone. It will, Nifty and Bank Nifty will both find some buying interest. So this is with respect to today's chart analysis of various stocks. If you are liking the content, do share this content to other traders also. Every day we are trying to come live and give some insights on the chart patterns on the intraday time frame, or on the daily time frame, or on the hourly time frame. Every day we will be live for at least 15 minutes. In case you are liking the content and if you want to join for the Trading for Living program, you can always call on the number that is being displayed. If you want more information on what's happening in Banao Bharat also, you can give the call on the same number. We will be happy to help you. We can coach you on becoming a successful trader. Well, have a very nice weekend and hope you had a profitable week. Today one more day is there for you to make some good returns and end the week on a positive note. Let us all again meet on a Monday morning. Until then, Om Swasti.